Hi folks, welcome to the next episode of David Tinkers. Here we have a Samsung front-load washing machine. The complaint is that it does not drain and it just isn't working. So the first thing I wanted to check was the output filter, which is behind that little door on the bottom right in the front. And when I looked in there, I was surprised to find it totally clogged with what looked like crushed stone. Here's a picture coming up. It wasn't actually crushed stone, I found out later, but there was enough of it in there that there was no way it was going to drain. And when I cleaned it out, it drained properly. So the next thing was to put it through a cycle, and you can kind of see that the tub is actually wobbling. So at first I thought maybe the dampers weren't working right, but I did check them, and this is even without any clothes in it, and the dampers really didn't have a problem. You can see here that it's going crazy, wobbling. It would actually scrape, make a scraping noise, a banging noise. So actually, after doing some research and thinking about it, I decided that it was probably the spider arm or the flange assembly that connects the tub to the motor. Yeah, see, it just detected too much banging and it stopped. So to get at the flange assembly, you have to take apart the whole machine practically. Not terribly difficult, but there's a lot to it. So here you can see it's in pieces all over the place. The whole tub has to come out. The drum has to come out of the tub and everything. This is a look inside the tub where there was even more of that gritty stuff. That turns out it's just the flange assembly crumbling away due to corrosion and being cheap metal. There you can see what's left of the flange assembly on the back of the drum. It's all corroded. It was also cracked and weakened so much that it was bent, causing the whole drum to wobble. And when it got up to speed, it would wobble even more and come in contact with the drum. I mean, the tub. So it would actually scrape on the tub in the back. So while I had it all apart, naturally I cleaned up everything. Let's look inside the front half of the tub. That's a heating element on the left that can be used during the cycle. This is the back where the tub actually, the drum had actually rubbed against the tub a bit, and actually I used a scraper blade to clean that up on the back of it. That's the tub. It's stainless steel, so it cleaned up nicely. Got all the corrosion and the soap residue off. So I bought a new part, and I got this through eBay because it was less than half of the manufacturer's price. And I put a base coat of paint on it, and then I put a top coat of paint to make it last longer and keep it from corroding so fast. I decided to use yellow spray paint for this because it has so many, nooks and crannies. It's just a lot easier to cover it with a spray paint. So I got that mounted back in after that dried, and all that was left was to test it out. So here it's going at a good high speed. Not wobbling like it was. So that's a satisfying fix.